Hey everyone, today we're going to go over the top accessories you should consider pairing with your Kamado grill. Let's check them out. If you want to get the most out of your Kamado, heat deflectors will be your best friend. These plates create a barrier between the charcoal's heat and your food, providing indirect heat. This is essential for smoking something like a tender brisket or setting up your Kamado for baking. Some Kamados even offer half-moon heat deflectors, allowing you to be set up for direct and indirect heat at the same time. Look, sear a steak over direct heat and roast a side on the other with indirect heat. It doesn't get much better than that. Extended cooking racks are great for when more space is needed for more food. Maybe you want to finish smoking your main dish and cook a side at the same time. Keep one of these around and you'll be set. Kamado grills make it easy to produce the roaring temperatures necessary for searing. For those who love a perfectly seared steak, sear grates come in handy when it comes to getting steakhouse quality marks on what you grill. Some can even give you the space to sear and cook griddle style at the same time. Next, you'll want to think about how you're going to keep tabs on your food for those longer cooks. That's when you look to remote barbecue thermometers. This makes cooking on your Kamado a breeze, because you can check on the progress of your cook while you kick back and relax. The temperature of a Kamado is controlled by the amount of air that passes through it. Forced air temperature controllers are a great accessory if you want to put the airflow and set temperature of your Kamado on autopilot. A single load of charcoal can last 10+ hours at smoking temps in a Kamado. So when you pair that with an automatic temperature controller, you really have a match made in heaven. Since Kamados are such great smokers, you can understand why we had to put rib racks on the list. If you're going to take the time to smoke some ribs to perfection, you might as well fit as many racks as you can at once. This is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to feed large crowds. The insulated design and high heat capabilities of Kamados make them perfect for baking pizza. Having a pizza stone on hand will free you up to cook delicious wood-fired pizza in your backyard. You just might want to mix up your next barbecue and turn it into a pizza party for a change of pace. Next up, a grate lifter tool is something every Kamado owner should have nearby. You'll be able to lift and handle hot grates without worrying about burning your hands. Of course, even if the grill isn't hot, it's nice to have a grate lifter to keep your hands clean when setting up the grill. A charcoal ash tool is an absolute must for any charcoal grill. It's great for stirring charcoal to get even heat while getting your grill preheated. It'll also come in handy when cleaning ash from the grill as well. For easy ignition of your charcoal, it's hard to beat a chimney starter. Just fill it with charcoal and light some crumbled paper underneath and wait for the coals to start glowing. Always remember, you never want to use lighter fluid to start a fire in your Kamado because that flavor will absorb into the ceramic. You'll also want to have a variety of smoking wood on hand. Much like pairing wines with entrees, certain wood types jive with certain foods. You can even try blending different types of smoking wood to really maximize the flavor profile of what you cook. Now this one might seem a little obvious, but quality natural lump charcoal will never let you down. It's made of pure carbon with no additives. You never want to use something like charcoal briquettes that come with fire starting additives. That can leave a chemical taste in your Kamado and on your food. Thanks for watching today. I hope this video was helpful in your search for the ultimate grilling experience. Subscribe and hit that bell for notifications to stay up to date on more great content coming down the pipe. We'll see you next time.